welcome to my channel. I'm Dia, and this channel has been something that I've been wanting to do for a while now. So here I am on my first YouTube video. Now let me tell you what inspired me to start At Home with Dia. My passion for the past 25 years has been interior design, styling, and home improvement. I'm a hands-on designer, DIYer with a timeless and classy look. Nothing excites me more than sharing my tips on how to decorate a home in a practical, affordable, and beautiful way. I've lived in 4 continents, traveled to multiple countries, and moved 26 times. Needless to say, this has exposed me to different cultures and traditions and has given me an international perspective to interior design. In the 90s and 2000s, I lived in California, where I worked on projects for homeowners who were on a very tight budget. So, I found creative and cost-effective ways to achieve the designer look for less. I also got into flipping and staging properties for sale, and all this while working a 9-to-5 corporate job. I quickly became an avid DIYer, gaining many skills while transforming furniture, accessories, rooms, even entire homes. When I lived in Europe, I worked for an international company on 14 large-scale projects in Asia, Central and North America, Europe, and the Mediterranean. That was probably one of my most rewarding experiences because I got to work with some amazing local contractors on remarkable office campus projects. Now that I'm back in the US, I continue to fuel my passion in my spare time while working on my own home and also helping homeowners who are on a budget enhance their spaces. I believe everyone deserves a well-organized and stylish home, no matter what their budget or the size of their space. So on this channel, I'll be sharing helpful and informative videos with the idea that with a few tips and tricks, anyone can achieve the designer look for less. If you're interested in upgrading your home, subscribe and follow my channel. Join me on this journey as I share tips, tutorials, and knowledge so together we can create a home that is both elegant and functional. You can also find me on my website at athomewithdia.com, where I share in detail advice on various design topics. And stay tuned for my upcoming video on how to decorate your home with plants. You won't want to miss it. See you next time. Bye for now.